how to add a measure and a level widget in the control center on the iPhone 16 series. So first, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then we swipe down at the top to open up the control center. In here, tap on the Add button. Then we go down and tap on Add a control. Next, in the controls list, we scroll down to the measure section, and in here you can tap on the measure or the level widget to add it to your control center. So here I have add a measure widget, and you can also add a level widget as well. So tap on add a control to add in the additional widget. So here we will select level. And that's it. Once it is added to your control center, you can swipe up to go back to your control center. If you would like to use it, you can simply pull down the control center and tap on the measure widget. Here you can perform a measure, so point your camera at a starting point. So here, for example, and then I'll go out and then I'll go over here. So here we have measured this phone is around 6 inch. So it is approximate. So the further away from the subject, the more accurate it will be. And then you can also take a photo. The other tool is the level tool. So once you have added a level tool, you can use your phone as a leveling tool. So here, now because of the camera and the camera protector, so it is not completely flat. So here I can measure this as well. So you can measure this size. You can perform a measure like that or like that. So if it's level or not, or you can measure on a table. So here, so that's perfect at 0. But then if you lean down, a bit different. So that is how you can open and use the leveling or the measure tool. So it's right in here. Once you add it to your control center, and if you open it, you can switch between measure and level within the app. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now, if you would like to remove them from the control center, you can tap on the add button. Then once you're in the edit mode, just tap on the remove button at the top. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.